Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So I am starting off my video. I have already mixed my resin, so please don't worry. This resin has already some black resin in there that was dried. So that's why you're seeing the resin looks like black, but it's not black. But I will be coloring it in a black color. So that's why I chose this color that has already black resin mixed in it. So here I have added my pigment into the resin now. So this is just normal black pigment. So I simply mixed my pigment here, and now I will be pouring this black resin into my mold, and that is a ghost mold. So today we are making some cute Halloween decors. So you will see slowly what I am doing. So what I'm doing here is that my mold is a bit on the flimsy side, so I need some sort of help. So I just put my mold into the container here. So now I'm pouring the resin into the mold. So I will be making different size variation with this same mold. I will be showing you different designs. So I poured my black resin into the mold now. So I have poured all of my black resin, and now I'm adding some clear resin on top just to get a transparency look in it. That's it. And you notice that I didn't fill up the mold upways full because I am making this design in different size variation. I'm just dipping my popsicle stick into the mold because I've added the transparent resin afterwards. So just mixing everything together. That's it. So now I will leave this to cure. So same way I made different sizes. So I will be showing you. I am demolding the first ghost now. So surprise, surprise, this is a ghost mold. And you will be surprised how easy and beautiful and so cute they turn out. So here what I did is I just mixed my resin and I added one drop of white pigment paste. So I got this frosty look. So this is actually the complete size of the mold here, and what a perfect ghostly ghost this is. I just love how all the folds came out. Absolutely amazing. And also there are so many things you can do with them. You can just put some eyes and just put it onto the lamp, so you can have a ghost lamp. And if you don't want to put up eyes just like that, it's ready, because you really don't need anything more. Such a beautiful mold. I will link it in my description if you like to purchase it for your Halloween decor. And then I made another one, and this is not filled again, as you can see. So I'm just demolding it. I did the same thing, mix my resin, add a drop of white pigment paste, and that's it. So in this way I got a little smaller one. So this is our smaller ghost. Just love how it turned out, all the folding of the fabric. And now I will be demolding the black one. So I did these in different days because you can see I have only one mold. So I was working on this for a few days now. So this is the black one. And actually I thought that I will be loving the black one the most. So you will be see on the next step what I will be doing with them. First of all, I will be adding some eyes. So I drew some eyes onto this one, and then I will be doing the same onto the other two. So making eyes is really easy, but sometimes they do take a lot of time, and in this case they did take some time for me, because I really don't want to make them such cartoonish. I wanted to make them a bit realistic, and but cut a bit of on the, you can say, cuteness. That's it. But I really love how these turn out. If you make different sizes of these and put them on the lights, there is so much you can do with this mold. So I didn't like the original eyes I drew on the bigger one, so I did it again. So what I'm doing here is I've taken a Sharpie, and then I'm just making the eyes now. So I will be making the eyes for all of these. And for a white, I did the black one, and now for the black one, I'm using my white Posca pen, and I will be drawing my eyes, my ghost eyes on it. So it's really so fun to see that if you have just a simple mole and what you can do with them, it's just your mind where you have to take it. So I think these are perfect now. So on to the next step, why actually I made these ghosts. That was the inspiration. So I will be showing you what I will be doing. So let's open it, and something is inside what I will be using. So you can see, right, these are some stickers, and these stickers actually gave me the inspiration to create this whole ghost activity here. So you can see I have so many variation. I got this autumn, and some of these are so cute, and this one was specially ordered for the black one. These were so beautiful. These are actually nail stickers. So when I thought these saw these one, I thought I will be making a black ghost, and these white flowers are my go-to. So that's why I'm you doing this one first. So bear with me, this is something I'm doing myself for the first time, but in my mind they look so cute, and I think they will be turning out cute. But this is, we will be seeing, all of us will be seeing that how these turn out. So for my first try, I'm going to be a bit of on the professional side using some tweezers, but then I thought no, the gloves are not helping. I need to remove them, and then I'm removing them with my hands. They are really delicate, but so carefully I'm just removing them. So in our days, when we put stickers onto copies and our albums, I just simply peel them with my hands. But now I see the scrapbooking and these journal videos, and they use these tweezers. It looks so satisfying, and just I just love it. So I did try to copy them, but I think that it's an intelligent idea. In this way, you don't get the fingerprints on the back of the stickers, but I will be doing the old ways. Probably in a few seconds, you will be seeing me. But as soon as I put up the first sticker, I loved it. And you just can see that it was not helping me much, but I'm just loving how these teeny tiny flower stickers are looking on this black one. So the stickers are really delicate. I am just taking my time to remove them. And I also not don't want to overdo them. I don't want a printed bed sheet on these ghosts. So I think this looks enough. Just one more to add, and one or two, that's it. Not too much. I'm just selecting here. There are all sizes. So after doing that, I suggest to use a matte acrylic varnish. Yes, I think I added two, no, one more, because I don't want it to look empty or just very filled. So I'm finding some place to add the sticker. But these are really, the stickers are very good quality, and they stick very fine to the resin. So I think this looks good. And that's it. Now this is really up to you if you want to add these crystals. You know, when I have done the flowers, I thought why not buy a crescent moon, some moon stickers, so those will look beautiful also. But I didn't buy them. But if you decide to make, you can add moon crystals to sorry, moon stickers to your ghost. For the second one, I am using this one. So they all look so beautiful in the pictures that when I bought them, but I really love how they look, and their stickiness is amazing. And I'm just loving how this looks on this ghost. So I will be putting up stickers to all of my ghosts. So on to the bigger one. So these stickers are a bit on the transparent side, but still I'm just loving them because I really don't want my stickers to overpower the ghost. They are really pretty. So after making these ghosts, I thought of making another one because I had some autumn leaves, you can see, and I didn't have some more ghosts. So I mixed my polyurethane resin here and added some pigment into the resin. So quickly I will be making another ghost. So by using this polyurethane resin, you can make these ghosts in, you can say, just an hour, because this resin takes 30 minutes to cure. So after 30 minutes you demold, and then after, for a few minutes you will be adding the stickers, and then you will be doing the acrylic spray. So I think it will take an hour and your ghost is ready. And you can make multiple ghosts like this. And there is also white color in the polyurethane and black color. So again, I put the mold into the container because it's a flimsy mold, but yet it's so detailed and beautiful. I just love this ghost mold. And now I will be pouring the resin into the mold. For my previous ghost, I went for a bit frosty look, but this time I think I will be having a solid color. So before just adding the simple resin into the mold, I thought why not add some brass pinata alcohol ink just to see how this looks like. So again, this is an experiment. So here goes our resin into the mold. So again, I didn't fill up the mold. This is of different height. So with one mold, you can make multiple designs. This is something just. So it's poured now, and see you after 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, I'm here. So let's demold. So after a few uses, I can sadly see that my mold was a bit on ripping side. So this is something really sad about, but I will be buying some more of these. So I'm really gently moving this out of the mold now, because I think I can use it few more times before it's completely dead. So here we can see, and that golden, I don't think so the camera is picking, but the brass is really looking pretty with this beige color. It looks amazing. So just hold on and see what I will be doing with it. So before I used stickers, but these are decals, so I'm just cutting them for my convenience. So you actually remove, there is a plastic cover on top of it. You just have to remove it, and then you have to dip it into the water. So what I was doing here is I put it on to my ghost, and from the back I'm adding some water, but later on I dipped all of these into the water and just removed it. So doing it in the easy way. So when the decals are wet, you can easily slip this off the paper. So I am very carefully slipping it off from the paper because I really don't want to damage them. And very carefully I will be transferring them onto the area where I want it, as you can see here. And here we go. They look so pretty on this one. I'm just loving it. So in this way I will be putting all of these. So after putting the sticker, I added these pumpkins. I made them out of polymer clay like this, and I used some super glue and just attached it, made some eyes, and you can see there I added some teeny tiny moon. And after that I put some gilding glue onto the folds of the fabric, and it's dried now. So I'm using my mirror gold. I just wanted to highlight the creases, that's it. Just making them more on the edgy side, really up to you if you want to add it or not. You can leave them really simple. But trust me, these will be loved by so many. You can make them to sell. They will sell out in minutes. You can make them to give gifts. You can personalize them by adding something personal of your friends into these, or you can keep it yourself. Really up to you, whatever you want to do them. And then there are so many ways you can present them. You can put them into some enchanted garden. You can make with fake moss, add some crystals. You can add them into a jar, a dome, and then put some moss, some crystals, some branches. It's really up to you. Sky's the limit, and be creative. This is something I just gave you as a hint. Now really up to you. Just open up and create your fantasy. I really don't have the time. Otherwise, I would have created a line of these ghosts and sell them. They are so pretty. Because I have to make new things every time, I really don't have time to make same thing again and again. But I might consider them making them because they are so beautiful, and the idea that I thought about them in my mind, it really came so well. So again, you can leave your white one. I just added simple some gold lines. So these are all done now, and let's see the final look. So this is the final look of all of them. They look so pretty. Just to remind you that you have to use matte acrylic varnish. Just spray them on one by one and everything is protected. And you are all done now. So please do let me know in comments which one was your favorite. Actually, when I made this, my girls just took them away from me and on to their room shelf they are. So these are my ghost friend, and I think I did all the justice. But if you have any suggestions, any tips for me, please do let me know in comments. And also please like, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up if you like the video. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so. And take good care of yourself. And bye-bye for my ghostlings. I call them ghostlings. Take care. Bye-bye.